Rare JDM wheels on the Mercedes 190e build. Let's go. Click that subscribe and like button down below. Okay, let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back for another Merc video. Didn't get around to finishing the side skirts, only one side. As you can see on this side, there's no AMG side skirts, but on this side, there is AMG side skirts. By the title of this video, you are here for the new wheels, right? Have acquired rare JDM wheels for the Merc. JDM wheels on a European car, that is, that might trigger a lot of the enthusiasts out there, but hey, I like JDM wheels on European cars, and yeah, I don't know why, they just look so good. I love mismatched stuff. So what we're going to do, I'm going to smash out the side skirts on this side and finish the side skirts off, just so I know they're good, and then we'll go ahead and I'll reveal the JDM wheels. So if you haven't seen the last video on the Merc installing the AMG side skirts, go ahead and watch that video, because this video I'm just going to time lapse and me doing the side skirts. Stick around for the JDM wheels. So small hint, they are SSRs, but yeah, you gotta keep watching the video to see what wheels I got. So let's smash out the side skirts. Old side skirts are off. We did that in like 10 minutes. Now I fitted up the new side skirts, the AMG side skirts, just to see where I'm at. Doesn't look too bad. It's pretty much the same thing on the other side. So I just have to replicate what I did on the other side and we should be good. Not too bad. Trim that, that should be good. If I trim that there, trim that there. Trim all this here as well, just so this can sit up. Literally the same thing on the other side. Trim a bunch of parts and then fit the parts in, and then side skirts should be good. And then it's onto the wheels. I'm back filming on the GoPro because the lens on my camera broke. I don't know how it broke, but yeah, it like split there and then it broke and it's not mounting properly. So I can't use this camera until I get a new lens. The GoPro is actually a lot lighter. I haven't used the GoPro in a while, charging it and everything, and I was like, oh, I might as well just go ahead with the side skirts. As you can see, it's not on, but we have made a lot of progress. Went through and drilled all the holes, cut a bunch of stuff off. All the holes are drilled. I'm just elongating the holes just so I can mount them at the bottom. The fitment looks great. Tried dialing in the fitment and everything as best as I could, and it's looking good. In the last video of me doing the side skirts, I was using like a precision hand saw, like those held small saws, but now I upgraded this Audi Specials bucket special angle grinder, which obviously is not the best, but it works. I'm gonna get a couple more like cutting discs for the grinder just so it's actually good discs. But yeah, it works perfectly. We'll mount this up and then it should be good. Obviously with the GoPro, the lighting isn't the best, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Secured everything in, all the bolts under here, so it's like pretty sturdy. As you can see, fitment is pretty good. Look at that.
What gap?
I'm just going to put on the rest of the door cladding, put everything back together, clean up a bit just so I can have space. I'll see you guys in a bit when I put on all the door claddings again, and I'll show you the final look. We are officially finished both of the side skirts. Let's do a little B-roll to commemorate. Let's move over to the wheels. Fitting the wheels on. Need to take these ones off. I need to see how to take off those center caps on the new wheels. Let's do it. It's the exciting part of the video. Probably be a short video, but it's an exciting video. Rare JDM wheels on the Mercedes 190e build. Let's go. Click that subscribe and like button down below. Okay, let's go. Here are the wheels. Just this. Literally just this. Okay, so they are a 17 by 8 on the front and then 17 by 9 on the rear. I think they're both plus 38 or plus 48. The setup I'm going on airbags, this should give me the fitment that I need. 5mm either way. Let me go through all the details after I reveal them. Ooh, yeah. Dang! Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Are you guys ready? Because if you guys are, if you see them, smash that like and subscribe button right now. Right now. I got the SSR Koenigs 3-piece wheels, 5-spoke, chrome lip. Oh, it looks so good. So there's a few things I want to do to these wheels. Refurbish the center cap, get new stickers on all 4 of them, get new hardware. These are a second-hand wheel. You can't get these brand new. It's not perfect condition. To get these wheels, I'm very lucky. Need to give a huge shout out to Cooper Smith having these wheels. I saw these and I was like, done. If you're looking for any wheels for your car, it could be rare JDM wheels, like your Blitz 03s, your VSKFs, all those hard wheels. Message Cooper UZS171 on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram link on the video. He'll take care of you. Smooth transaction, smooth shipping. He'll get you the wheels that you want. As I was saying, these are a second-hand wheel, so they're not in perfect condition, but they can be rebarreled and everything. Not sure if I will rebarrel them because they cost a lot of money, like thousands of dollars. I might just get them repaired and stuff, especially on the lip, the curb rash on the lip. Center caps, I need to refurbish, get new ones. I've got some on order at the moment. Still thinking of the hardware up here. Might still just keep the silver. If not, I might go gold, but I'll see. These are the wheels that we are going for the Merc. SSR Koenigs. This center cap is like $1,000 just for these center caps here. Having them on the wheel is so lucky. I'm just gonna take off these center caps here. Oh, this is pretty sick. Pretty sure it's a 2-piece. So this comes off, then this is a plate, then these screw into these holes. That's pretty wild. Oh, wait, what? So there's 2 for 5. But there's so many other bolts here. What's the other ones for? These wheels off, put these wheels on. I need to jack the car up and stuff. It's showtime. Oh, sheesh. These are so goddamn. Because they are a 5x114.3, reading about these wobble bolts, I've never heard of them before. I found them on like a drifting forum, and a lot of those people used it for like 3 seasons on the same bolts and they were good. So I bought a set because they ran 5x1 4.3 wheels on like their Mercs and stuff for the drift season. So I went ahead and bought some because I thought it's a solution. I've been trying to figure out how to put all of them in and they won't line up. So I might have to get these re-drilled. But yeah, I've never heard of these. I thought I'd give them a shot. But yeah, they don't work. That's a shame unless I get conversion studs or I get adapters. If there's like a 5mm or like a 10mm adapter, might use that, or I just get these re-drilled. I put one of them in and snugged it up just because I want to see what they look like, and oh my gosh, they look so good. I think the 10mm adapter slash spacer will get the fitment perfect. Like the fitment is flush right now, but I think with bags and having it drop down low, the camber will go in and it'll go into the wheel well. So I think those adapters with the 10mm spacer will allow me to get the fitment that I want. So I have to play around with it, get tires mounted on these. Let me show you guys what these look like on the car. It's still jacked up, but this is the same feeling that I had when I bought the T5R2 piece for the 370Z. Oh my gosh. Yes, they look a little bit weird because there's no tires on it or the car is in the air. So there's a huge gap here. So fitment doesn't look right at the moment, but when this is all said and done, the wheels are going to look so good on the car. They do kind of rub on the rear sway bar. Adapters will help with that clearance, but everything else, it clears perfectly. These are the SSR Koenigs that we are running on the Mercedes build. Can't wait for these. It looks weird because of the fitment, no tires, and it looks tiny without all that and not perfect fitment. So yeah, bear with me because these are going to look so good. Have a look at what they look like now, because this is them in their bare naked state and not their optimal state. I'm going to fit the build so well. I get everything for the build done, get tires on these, and then we'll fit these back onto the car and see the final look of them. Get ready for that because that's going to be super exciting. Now we know what they look like and I am stoked. I can't believe I'm so excited for this build. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you guys are as excited as I am. Need to tie in some things already with this car. We've got some more parts coming, or parts that are already here, just ready to be installed. So keep watching the videos. Appreciate you guys so much. So much. Hope you guys enjoy the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, take care, love ya.